In this week's vlog, there's a lot of stuff going on. I mean, there's an Indian party. There's running to Walmart to get some aluminum foil for hookah, you know, late night hookah emergencies. Waking up early, going to a new donut spot. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a really cool video.
Since day one, something's been missing. I know it's time to transition to a new kind of way and let the passion come out. I'm a dreamer. Time slows down when I am singing my heart.
Have any of you ever been to an Indian party? Well, I don't know. I had to come up with one, and here's how it went.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something, yeah, well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something.
Yeah, that's right. Let's go. Yeah, when you're feeling down and you're out, like you got nothing but doubt, you're alone in the crowd, just trying to figure it out. All that is bad, and this money got you feeling left out. Listen up to me now, every word that's out of my mouth. Wake up, it's me. You're gonna follow your dreams, or are you just gonna be another cog in the scene? You feel the hope in this beat, yeah, the hope that you need to proceed and be exactly what you want it to be. I feel right and I'm proud, hype and I'm loud. I'ma shout all about how I feel in the now. Ain't nobody ever gonna try to change me till I'm dead, pushing up daisies. I'm alone in the crowd, I won't feel down.
So you can see overall the night was amazing. The food actually came out really authentic. I was actually surprised and amazed with the way the food was. My staff, my team did an amazing job. I can't even thank them enough. Without a team, you're nothing. But the night was really cool. Only weird moment was, and there was a clip of it, there was a belly dancer. The guys playing the guitar were like, don't, you know, he was waving his finger like that to say don't record. I don't know why. I mean, nothing against her. She wasn't real pretty at all. She shouldn't have been a belly dancer. Maybe that was why. I don't know. But overall, great night. Awesome. Wouldn't change anything about it. Food looked great. Just an amazing night. Got home from work, wanted to relax, smoke some hookah, and guess what? No aluminum foil. So it's 10:30 at night, walking through Walmart just for some aluminum foil. I think we're underdressed. Seems like everyone's partying here. It gets crazy at Walmart.
In the life is another blessing to me.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you want
Choices. So many damn choices. Well, aluminum foil to choose.
I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's what you need when you're down, need when you're out. It's what you need when you're sad and when you feel left out. You feel an energy drought and then creeps out, but with a little bit of hope you can figure it out. Keep your head high even when you're down inside. Through the pain you fight and through the pain.
Sunday morning, out doing the usual, looking for a new donut spot. So found a spot called Lead Donuts over here in Libertyville. It's actually close to home, so didn't actually have to go for a long ride. So we're gonna check them out and see what this place has to offer.
Of your mission, be driven. This life is a prison if you don't have vision. You're in it to win it, so get it, don't miss it. Your chances now, so be something somehow. Don't let yourself down. That's right. Sometimes all we really need is hope.
So just left Lead Donuts. First off, the way they acted was really cool. We actually got a free donut. It seems like everything's been homemade there, been that way for years, so that's a cool thing. They told us that their fritters are all hand chopped, and so that was really cool. So we're about to go home, try them out, see what we think. So back, got the donuts right here. Time to do a quick taste, see how it goes. So first one up is the blueberry. Wow. Very flaky. You can tell they've been made fresh. Good blueberry flavor. Looks like there's real blueberries in there. Really good. Next, the red velvet. The lady at the counter said this is one of their most popular ones. They do a really good job. You know, I don't know if you can see, but I mean, it's really moist. This one I think is the buttermilk. I mean, look at this thing. It's gorgeous. It almost has the same texture as a buttermilk biscuit. So it's nice and flaky and a little bit more dense. This one is their crumble.
Take a look in the mirror. Are you seeing some fear? You hear the voice in your ear. Can you start to see clear? Are the bad thoughts near? Or can you be where
you could tell the dough they use is really nice and moist. I mean, they're all really good. Cinnamon. Cinnamon apple. This is the one that reminded me of a churro. That's why I was like, for sure get cinnamon. And for everyone that doesn't know, my favorite has always been double chocolate. Everything that you need is in the air that you breathe, it's in the mind that you feed, it's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me. So far, there's not one that I don't like. Now, this is the one that we went there for. This is like their donut of all donuts. I mean, this thing is huge. You can't even see my face.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, it's what you need when you're down. Need when you're out. It's what you need when you're sad. And when you feel left out. You feel an energy.
The apple fritter.
And then creeps out. But with a little bit of hope,
so good.
So
overall, really good donut. Really cool spot. People behind the counter were really nice to us. Like I said, we even got a free donut. So if you're ever in Libertyville, check them out. You gotta get there early. The rumor is that they run out of donuts by 10, I think they said. So, gotta get there early. We woke up at 5 just to get there.
So get it, don't miss it. Your chances now. So be something somehow. Don't let yourself down. That's right. Sometimes all we really need is hope.